Hi, my name is Davis, and I will tell you about aeroplane manufacturing. Creating a plane, whether it's a model or a full-scale aircraft, is a complex and highly specialized process that involves engineering, aerodynamics, materials science, and manufacturing expertise. Building an actual aircraft is not a task that can be undertaken without the proper knowledge, resources, and regulatory approvals. Here's a simplified overview of how one might approach building a model plane. Materials and tools. Select materials. Depending on the size and type of plane you want to build, you'll need materials such as balsa wood, foam, plastic, or composite materials. For more advanced models, you might use carbon fiber, fiberglass, or metal. Gathering tools. Common tools for model plane construction include hobby knives, sandpaper, adhesives, like CA glue or epoxy, cutting mats, rulers, clamps, and paint. Design and planning. Choose a design. Decide on the type of plane you want to build. You can find plans or kits for various types of model planes, such as gliders, propeller-driven planes, or jets. Scale down. If you're building a scale model, you'll need to scale down the measurements and dimensions from the real aircraft to fit your chosen size. Construction. Cut and shape. Use the materials and tools to cut out and shape the various components of your plane, including the wings, fuselage, tail, and other parts. Assembly. Assemble the different components according to your chosen design. This often involves gluing pieces together, ensuring they are aligned correctly. Finishing. Sand the surfaces to create a smooth finish. You may also need to add details like landing gear, propellers, or decals. Electronics. Install radio control, RC gear. If you want your model plane to be remote controlled, you'll need to install the necessary RC components like servos, receivers, and transmitters. Wiring and soldering may be required. Power source. Depending on your model, you'll need to install an appropriate power source, such as an electric motor, gas engine, or even a jet engine for more advanced models. Testing and flying. Balancing. Ensure your model is properly balanced, as this can affect flight stability. Safety. Before flying, make sure you're aware of local regulations regarding model aircraft. Find a suitable location for test flights, away from people, buildings, and other obstacles. Thank you for watching.